Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this lecture we will study a very important theorem, that is Thevenin and Norton theorem. So this theorem is very important from exam point of view because most of the questions has been asked in GATE and ES exam from these two theorems. Okay. So the statement of Thevenin theorem is any complex linear network can be represented by a voltage source VTH in series with resistance RTH. It means any linear network can be represented by this circuit where this VTH is the Thevenin voltage and this RTH is the Thevenin resistance. And Norton theorem states that any complex linear network can be represented by a current source IN in parallel with resistance RTH. It means any linear network is represented like this circuit where IN is the Norton current, RTH is the Thevenin resistance. Now there is a relation between this Norton current and Thevenin voltage. Norton current is equals to VTH by RTH. Okay, so this is the relation between Norton current and Thevenin voltage. Now we will understand what is the significance of this VTH, Norton current and RTH by taking an example. Suppose this circuit is given. Okay. So for this circuit, Thevenin voltage VTH means voltage across this terminal AB. So this is Thevenin voltage. And Norton current means if I short this terminal AB, then whatever current flowing through this branch is called Norton current. And what is Thevenin resistance? See, to find the Thevenin resistance, what I have to do? I have to short circuit the voltage sources in the circuit and open circuit the current sources in the circuit. After that, I will calculate the equivalent resistance between these two terminal AB, then it will be Thevenin resistance RTH. Now, there are two methods to find Thevenin and Norton circuit. In first method, we will find VTH by simply finding the voltage across this terminal AB, and we can find IN by short circuiting this terminal. Okay, and find the short circuit current here, and after that we will find RTH by open circuit the voltage, so short circuit the voltage source and open circuit the current source, then find the equivalent resistance between AB. So once I get VTH, IN and RTH, then we can draw the Thevenin and Norton equivalent circuit. Now this is simple method. Okay. Second, a very slightly typical method, but that is very effective and short method. So in this method what we do, we will assume a voltage Vx here. Okay, and polarity we assume like this, plus and minus, and we assume a current Ix leaving through positive terminal of this voltage Vx. So after assuming this polarity of voltage and this direction of current, we will write the circuit equation in the form Vx is equals to Aix plus B. So when we write the circuit equation in this form, then this A will represent the value of RTH and this VB will represent the value of VTH. So these are the two methods to draw the Thevenin equivalent and Norton equivalent. I will discuss both the methods in detail in my upcoming videos. So this is all about this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.
If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.